So, how to clean, purge, and organize your closet. But first and foremost, I want to greet you Happy New Year! So since it's New Year, I want to give my closet a revamp slash makeover. Some other people do it in springtime, some other people do it in fall time. So while I'm doing that, I want to take you with me and show you how dirty and messy our closet is. Okay, let's clean. First, you need to remove everything, every single item in your closet. Yep, it sounds hard, but you need to do it. You need to put away the things that doesn't belong in your closet. Like ours, it has, what is it, like exercise equipment, kitchen stuff, like paintings, bags, plastics. I don't know what is it, but we just moved from Lake Tahoe to Vegas, so everything we just shove it in there. Don't do that. After emptying your closet, you need to clean your shelvings. Like, you really need to clean that shelvings, okay? There's a lot of dust there. And then after that, vacuum it. It's kind of like you need to start from top to bottom. It's kind of like law of gravity or something. But yeah, you need to clean your shelvings. And then after cleaning your shelvings, sometimes you need to clean the walls, but we didn't clean the walls, but it's not that dirty. And then after that, we vacuum. Like I think I vacuum like 3 times just to feel like the closet is clean. Okay, moving to purging. I think this is like the emotional part of this process because us girls, I can relate to you and you can relate to me. But yeah, we need to let go. This purging process is a tough one and we need to brace ourselves. First thing in purging, you need to make a pile, like donation, for sale, throw away, maybe, seasonal. Like, it's up to you which one suits you. For me, my pile is maybe / seasonal, throw away, and then for sale. And I sell it at Poshmark, and you should check that one out. And if you need me to teach you how to do Poshmark, just comment down below. Next, purging in groups. You need to purge in groups so it's not like everywhere. So for me, I did dresses, like all dresses. Like I put it in a clothing rack, and then I literally did it like short dresses, medium dresses, long / maxi dresses. So after my dresses, I went to tops, bottom, outerwear, and everything that's in the closet. Next is throw away your tattered clothes. Like the clothes that have armpit stain, like holes on it, poor condition, old clothes, basically the clothes that hits wear and tear. Next is be honest to yourself. Yep, it's hard, but we need to be honest with ourselves and ask ourselves while purging, am I gonna buy this again? Did I wear it for the past year? Yep, those are the questions that you need to ask to yourself. Next is you need to get rid of those clothes that are like too small and too big on you, and to those clothes that are like just in case and for special occasion. Yeah, ask yourself if you worn those on those special occasion and then those just in case moments. Because I have a lot of those and I didn't. It's been 4 years, so it's been sitting in the closet, so I need to let them go. It's hard for me, but I need to. Next, can you wear that item 2 to 3 ways, and does it go with at least 3 items in your closet? Okay, last step in purging is you need to make a list of items that you think you need. Like for me, for example, I need a button-down shirt. You need to focus on basics to create your capsule wardrobe. Those like basics, white t-shirt, white button-down shirt, jeans, those kind of things. A perfect way to get an idea is you need to get an inspiration. Like for me, for example, I go to Pinterest and Instagram, and I go to my favorite bloggers, influencers, to see what's my favorite item that they always wear, and assess your closet, and then just make the list. Last is organizing. And in organizing, I suggest for you to invest in thin hangers. It saves and gives you more room. I'm telling you, this is my lifesaver. I usually get the hangers with bars like this because you can use it on tops, outerwear, and bottoms as well. Like you can hang your pants here. There's always those clips that you can buy, or it comes with it. If you go to Amazon, you can use it for your skirts and shorts. Like if you really need space in your closet, you can always get the one that have hooks over here, but I don't have it. There's a hooks over here, and then you can hang this one on that hook, and then so forth and so on. But yeah, if you want to hang your tank tops or camis, basic t-shirts, you can do that method. And you need to invest in bins and closet dividers. Next is hang clothes by category, like all tops, all bottom, all dresses. I would love to color coordinate, but I don't have that much clothes, so I just put it as category. If you have a lot of clothes, yeah, you can do that, like all whites, all red, or whatever. But yeah. Next is organize your jewelry by displaying them, or put it in a jewelry box if you don't have that much, because it's so nice if you see your jewelries or like dainty necklaces or rings as displayed, because it looks like you're in a boutique. And you can always improvise how you organize your jewelry. For me, I just put it in a small plate. I got that in Home Goods, and it's so pretty. And next, organize your belts and scarves. You can buy some scarves hangers at IKEA, or like in Amazon. There's like a lot of things that you can choose from. Organize your bags by hanging them if you don't have extra storage or extra space in your closet, like hanging them vertically. Or if you have extra space, you have that shelvings, you can have shelvings and then just put like fillers. Or if you have small bags, you can put those small bags in the bigger bag as a filler. And organize your shoes. I love shoes. I have like a lot of shoes, and the ones that I have right now is like at least like 20% of them, because most of my shoes are not really worn. It's brand new still, and I haven't worn them for like years. So I basically sold them in Poshmark and then sold them in garage sale or yard sale. So we found this shelvings at IKEA. It's white, plain white, it's metal, it's sturdy, and it's only like $17.99. And you can fit 4 shoes in every shelves, and it works perfectly for us. We bought two, one for me, one for Layman, and I'm happy. Like, I'm so happy. And last but not the least, you need to have storage bins for your seasonal items. And I suggest to use vacuum seal plastic bags for your clothes, like seasonal items. It works perfect. Like, I used it too when we're moving. Like, instead of like putting in hangers or plastic bags, we put everything in that vacuum sealed bag, and it works perfect. Like, whoever invented it, thank you. And that's it. That's how I clean, purge, and organize my closet, and I hope you learned something from me. And I need to end this video already because the sun is hitting me hard already. Look at this. This is with sun. This is in the shade. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and post notification button.